consistently and don't participate at all. Don't answer, don't respond. They might answer the poll question, but they're trying to hide in plain sight. And here's what I believe is taking place. I believe that this group of looky-loos, and a couple of them dropped off because now I'm addressing them, besides the ops, are they're neurologically inept to do anything. So they're attempting, they think if they come here enough, that somehow they will start to do something. But that's not how this works, okay? You actually have to do it, and then it becomes simpler to do. So your experience of cognitive overload, you're just going to keep experiencing cognitive overload. It's not going to magically happen. It's like you, and I've said this before, it's like you're going to the gym, you keep driving past the gym, then you go in and you sit at the cafe and you just look at people walking in and out of the gym. And then you say, I want to go on a tour. And then you watch everybody exercise. And that's it. And you leave, and then you keep talking to people about how you're going to start working out. But you never join the gym. You never get a membership. And then you're trying to understand why you're not losing weight, why you're not getting physically fit, why you keep going to the doctor and getting a bad doctor's report. So to come over here every day, I understand why. Because neurologically, based upon what's available on the internet search, your brain capacity, your working memory has completely atrophied. And so there's a little bit of desire there. Brain is on life support. And somehow you think, oh, I'm going to just keep listening to her. And she makes me feel good because she's got that oxytocin over there. But nothing in your life is going to change. You're not going to change. Your brain is not going to change. And nothing you do. So you're going to be trying to do Zumba and have an open wound on your hand and not know what to do. Because you're going to be getting the cards out. So the things that you have been taught about your brain will not get you to your best. They will not. Ever in life will they get you to best. Because that's what I teach is best. The best way to get everything in your life. Not some money, not some bags, but the best out of February 18th. The best out of February 19th. The best you out of your day every single day. And it happens in your brain. So you can stop looking because it's not going to happen. There's no osmosis over here. You're not going to just automatically. This is active. This is sweat equity. This is due. Just like my child said, what you sweating me for? I'm answering stuff. So you got to do it over here. Nike said just do it. You got to do it over here. All right, Kevin, you said someone sure to make a difference. Got it. Very good. Now, poll question results are coming. And while the poll question results, I'm talking about them, you can go ahead and do you actively use your brain daily? 71% of you said yes, 7 votes, and 28% said no. The last thing we're going to do, because that's a pretty straightforward answer, either you do or you don't. No reason to say, well, how do you know? It's not necessary there. What did you learn today before you get out of here? And I keep closing this without adding that time. What did you learn today? And while you're typing that up, people had a TikTok video and they talk about these big pens and how big pens have not changed over time. And I have used pens. I used these in high school and then I switched to pens. And I went back to big pens because look at this pen. And this pen still has ink in that little bit of part right there. And I'm still writing with this pen. Now, I have other pens that are plastic, black on the inside, can't see. And that's why I like Bic. Because Bic shows you exactly how much ink you have and how much ink you done used. This is a newer pen that I've been using somewhat. And look at this. And this pen is still writing. And again, I have no affiliation with Bic or anything. I'm just saying that when something works, you don't have to change it. You don't have to have, oh, we got this fine tip and all this other stuff. It's a plastic pen that's been working. And this is why they haven't changed it. We have not heard Bic Pens is doing no layoffs and nothing like that. They make a quality product in multiple colors, and it works. Now, I'm sure once I finish taking a little bit more notes, it's gone, but it is still writing. I used this whole pen, what was left of it, to write my notes for today. And I'm getting ready to write the time in now. So what did y'all learn? That was giving you enough time to type. What did you